Hey, it's your girl Queen Michelle, and I am the owner of Queen Michelle Cosmetics located in New York City. Today, I am back with another lip tutorial. As you can see, I am using my lip pencil, number 12, colored in black. And I will be using my Mocha lip gloss right after. As you can see, I'm kind of struggling a little bit, but bear with me, it gets better. Like, comment, and follow me on all platforms. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think. And that lip pencil will be soon added onto my website. Mwah. Laters.